Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets around securely. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Shiba Inu from Binance to Kraken in 2025. Shiba Inu, or SHIB, is a popular meme coin, and switching it between exchanges like Binance and Kraken can help you diversify or take advantage of better features. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Binance and Kraken, and that your SHIB is in your Binance wallet. Start by logging into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section, then select Spot Wallet, or Funding Wallet, where your SHIB is held. Once there, find the Withdraw option for SHIB. Next, you'll need the deposit address from Kraken. Log into your Kraken account, go to the Funding or Deposit section, and select SHIB. Kraken might support SHIB on the Ethereum network, so ensure it's set to ERC20. Copy that deposit address carefully, it's super important not to mix it up. Back on Binance, paste the Kraken address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for network fees. SHIB transactions typically use the Ethereum blockchain, so expect some gas fees. Review everything twice, then hit Withdraw, and confirm with any required 2FA codes. Now, the waiting game begins. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Kraken account under the Funding section to confirm the SHIB has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just wait a bit longer or contact support. A few quick tips. Always use the exact network specified. SHIB is usually on ERC20, so match that on both ends. Watch out for fees, they can add up. And never share your private keys or seeds. Security is key in crypto. There you have it, folks. You've just transferred your SHIB from Binance to Kraken. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.